Let's see in this video an important grammar point. How to use some and any. Some is used in positive sentences. For example, I'm going to buy some clothes. There is some ice in the fridge. We did some exercises yesterday to improve our English. Any is used in negative sentences. For example, I'm not going to buy any clothes. There isn't any orange juice in the fridge. We didn't do any exercises yesterday to improve our English. Now let's see any and some in questions. First, any is used in most questions, but not all. For example, has he got any friends? Do you need any help? Some is normally used when we offer and ask for things. For example, would you like some coffee? Can you lend me some money? Well, I hope this short explanation of these two words will help you understand them. Do not forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you.